4 successes at least, and this situation here isn't developing any further. There's my sand muller, and we have made a bunch of molds, and we are going to do a pour, but it's raining right now, so we're gonna have to wait for that to quit. It is looking lighter. I have my molds covered up with the tarp. Yeah, we're melting down the copper. Can't see in there because it's yellow hot, but we're getting her heated up. I have a 1 gallon per hour nozzle. Ooh, that could be a problem. Okay, we did a pour. To have worked, no leaks. So we've got 4 of them. We'll see if we can do a few more. We got 8 or 9 molds ready, but I'm sure we don't have quite that much metal. We'll have to make some aluminum ones, I think. We have 4 successes at least, and this situation here isn't developing any further. I've been cooling it with a spritz bottle. The aluminum part, the steel part I don't care quite as much about, but that flange is aluminum, and I have a few of the molds done. I have just a few to go, and I'll probably run out of metal. Alright, we got 4 more. Now, this last one might be a fail, because it's kind of low. I was running out of metal. The drilling setup for the ore lock sockets. I'm using a 5/8 hole saw. We have 11 aluminum bronze ore lock sockets. This one here I polished. And we have 3 straight aluminum ones. This one here I polished with a wire wheel. That should be enough. Oh, and here's a kind of a blemished one. I don't know if we'll use that one anywhere.